Rodents are wild animals that live their lives in a survival mode, and they'll go to extremes in order to succeed. Along with their ability to remain stealthy and secretive, they're also willing to exert all their strength and stamina in efforts to get what they're after. They can be incredibly patient, adaptable, persistent, and even aggressive. In their effort to live well, rodents consistently damage homes, contaminate food, and spread disease. I'm talking about rats and mice. First, let's look at rats. Rats are an invasive species, and unfortunately they are commensal, meaning they have to live alongside humans in order to survive. So, as the human population has grown in the Puget Sound, so has the rat population. Here's why rats are such formidable enemies. Rats can jump vertically up to 36 inches and 48 inches horizontally. Dropping from a height of 50 feet doesn't kill or seriously injure them. Rats have flexible skulls that allow them to fit through openings that are just a half-inch in diameter. Rat teeth grow so they can constantly gnaw on anything softer than their teeth, including plywood, aluminum, and even some common kinds of concrete. Rats can climb up a vertical brick wall. They can shimmy up the outside of a 3-inch pipe or even climb up and down in the spaces between things like downspout and a wall. Their sense of balance allows them to scurry along the power and cable lines connected to your house. Norway rats can burrow to a depth of 4 feet, swim up to half a mile, and dive through plumbing traps and travel in sewer lines. Yes, rats do occasionally appear in toilets. Ew. Yeah. 2 rats, under ideal conditions, can produce thousands of offspring in 1 year. Now, let's look at mice. Mice are considerably smaller, and they can't jump, fall, or swim as far as rats do. However, they make up for this with their other abilities. Mice make up for their small size by often coming in large numbers, which, if established and conditions are right, can multiply rapidly. Mice can squeeze through much smaller gaps, the size of a pencil. Mice can climb any vertical surface that is textured, and they can balance along any twig, wire, or cord. Tragically, deer mice, which are found in our local rural and suburban areas, can carry the sometimes deadly hantavirus. There were several confirmed human cases of hantavirus in 2015 and 16, and one resulted in death. Rats and mice can and do all sorts of amazing things. They are absolutely gifted in terms of stealthy behavior, and as such, they're often established in a home's attic and crawl spaces for months before they're discovered by the homeowner. Rats depend on us. Don't enable them. Call on Cascade Pest Control to clear your home of rodents and create an effective plan to protect it from them.